Hello everyone, myself Shashank HD from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we are going to explain about the problems on probability and application of probability. Let us know about the introduction to probability and its application. Probability is the branch of mathematics that deals with the uncertainty and likelihood. It is widely used in various fields such as statistics, finance, medicine, and gaming. Understanding probability helps in making informed decisions and predicting the outcome accurately. Let us know about the basic probability concept. Probability is expressed as number between 0 and 1, where 0 represents the impossibility and 1 represents certainty. The sample space it is the set of all possible outcomes in an experiment. The event is a subset of a sample space representing the specific outcome or combination of outcomes. Event and its probability definition. A subset of E outcomes is called event of E. Probability of event. The basic formula is P of E equal to total number of the outcome in event E, that is N of E divided by total number of outcome in sample space S, N of S. How calculating the probability using the classical method. The classical method is used when all outcomes are equally likely. The probability of an event is called a number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of possible outcomes. P of A equal to number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcomes. Next one, how calculate the probability using the relative frequency method. The relative frequency method is used when there is a large number of trials or experiments. The probability of an event A is estimated by dividing the number of times event A occurs the total number of trials. That is P of A equal to number of times event A occurs by divided by total number of trials. Next, how calculate the probability using the subjective method. The subjective method is based on personal judgment or belief. It often used when there is a lack of data or when outcomes are difficult to quantify. Subjective probability is assigned based on individual knowledge, experience, or intuition. Complementary event. The complementary event of A, denoted as A dash, is the event that A does not occur. The sum of probabilities of an event and its complementary is equal to 1. That is P of A plus P of A dash equal to 1. Next one, additional rule. The addition rule is used to calculate the probability of the union of two or more events. That is P of A or B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. The probability of the intersection of two events is subtracted to avoid the double counting. Next one, multiplication rule. The multiplication rule is used to calculate the probability of the intersection of two or more independent events. That is P of A and B equal to P of A. P of B, if A and B are independent event. There are two types in multiplication rule: independent events, dependent events. That is independent events P of A and B equal to P of A star P of B. Independent event P of A and B equal to P of A star P of A or B. Next one, conditional probability. Conditional probability is the probability of an event occurring given the another event has already occurred. That is P of A or B equal to P of A and B divided by P of B, where P of A and B equal to probability of both event occurring. Conditional probability helps in updating the probabilities based on the new information. Next one, bias theorem. What is bias theorem? Bias theorem is used to update the probability of an event based on the new evidence or information. That is P of A or B equal to P of B or A. P of A divided by P of B, where P of A or B is updated probability of an event A given event B. Next one, application. How probability is used in medical diagnosis. Probability used in medical diagnosis to estimate the likelihood of diseases or condition. It helps to interpreting diagnostic test result and determining the accuracy of the test. Bayesian network and decision trees are mm, used to model and analyze the medical data. Next one, weather forecasting. How probability is used in weather forecasting. Let us know about probability is used to weather the forecasting to predict the likelihood of different weather condition. It helps to determining the chances of rain, snow or other weather event. Statistical method and historical data are used to calculate update the probabilities. Next one, gaming and gambling. How probability is used in gaming and gambling. Probability is the fundamental of gaming and gambling. It helps to determine the odds of winning and expected payout. Mm, Casinos and bookmakers use probability to set off odd and ensure the probability. Next, application quality of controls. Probability is used the quality control to assess the reliability of performance of product. It helps to determine the probability of defect and failures. Statistically, process control and acceptance sample techniques are used in monitor and improve the quality. Next, sports analytics. How probability is in used in sports analytics. Probability is used the sports analytics to predict the match outcomes and player performance. It helps to making informed decision, team selection, game statistics, and betting. Advantages of statistical model and machine learning algorithm are used to accurate predictions. Next, how to use probability in stock market. Probability used in the stock market analyzing the assets, risk and return of investments. It helps to predicting the stock prices, volatility and market trends. Mm, Quantitative models and technical analysis techniques are used to calculate the probabilities. Next, the end of the session is conclusion. Probability is the powerful tool of understanding uncertainty and making informed decision. It has the wide range of application in various fields, including finance, medicine, weather forecasting, and gaming. Understanding probability concept and techniques is essential to problem solving and critical thinking.